If your hair isn't growing just the way you want, or maybe you're struggling with dandruff that just won't go away, or your scalp feels so itchy and irritated, then worry no more, because nature has already given us one of the most powerful solutions for a healthy scalp and faster hair growth. And in today's video, I will be showing you how you can make that powerful homemade oil that's been trusted for centuries to tackle this issue. So stay with me to the end, because I will not only show you how to make this, but I'll also show you ways to use it for a maximum result. Hi natural lovers, welcome back to Everyday with Mandy. So on today's video, for today's recipe, I'll be using one of my favorite powder, which is neem powder. This neem powder is gotten from the neem dry leaf, which is gotten from its tree. There is neem tree, which is also known as dogoyaro or akonshoro in some native language. So I have a video of how I made this neem powder on my page, so you can check it out so you know how you can make your own. Making it is a very simple step, but if you don't have time for that, you can also get your neem powder from the store or from your local market. Neem is known for its various benefits, which also include hair benefits. It helps in fighting dandruff, it helps in reducing hair loss, it helps in promoting growth due to its antibacterial and antifungal properties. So to prepare this easy but powerful hair growth oil, we'll be adding in some neem powder into a clean bowl. I used about 4 tablespoons. And the next thing we'll be adding in our carrier oil. For this video, I'll be using extra virgin olive oil. You can use coconut oil, olive oil, or any carrier oil of your choice. And you can also use more than one carrier oil. You can combine olive oil with coconut oil or with any other form of carrier oil. So after adding the carrier oil, I went ahead to give it a very good stir. I stirred it to mix up the oil and the powder together. Then the next thing, we're going to be using the double boiler method to activate this powder. So you don't want to put this directly on stove because it might damage some of its nutrients. So we just use the double boiler method. I boiled for about 15 minutes, and here the oil is out from the stove. I'll just keep this for a few minutes for it to cool down. So I would like to welcome my new subscribers to the family. If you just subscribed to this channel, welcome to this amazing family where we share everything about hair growth, DIYs, tips that will help in growing out your hair, as I also share my own hair growth journey with you guys. So welcome to the family. And if you're yet to subscribe, please do well to hit the subscribe button. And also, if you've not liked this video, guys, please do well to give this video a thumbs up and also drop a comment. So after the oil have cooled down, I came back to strain it. I used the cheesecloth to separate the oils from the powder. You can see the powder is just sitting right there at the bottom of this bowl. So after straining, I went right in with few drops of lavender oil. This part is not really that necessary. I just needed to elevate the scent of this oil. So if you don't have lavender oil, you can either add vitamin E oil, or if you don't have any of those, you can just forget about it. Okay, it doesn't change anything about the benefits of this neem oil. So after that, I just do some stirring just to mix the essential oil together properly. And after that, the next thing I did was just to pour this into my applicator bottle. Now here is how this oil works. First, this cleanses your scalp by fighting dandruff and buildup. If your scalp is clogged, your hair won't grow, and this oil solves that problem. Secondly, it stimulates blood circulation, which means more nutrients and oxygen reach your hair follicles. And when your roots are fed, your hair grows faster and stronger. And thirdly, it strengthens your strand from the inside out, help reduce breakage and thinning. This is not just about oiling your hair, it's about restoring balance to your scalp and giving your hair the healthy foundation it needs to thrive. So next, I'll be showing you how you can use this oil for maximum results and how many times you're going to be using it. So to use this oil treatment, if you want this treatment to really work, you need to start with a clean, dry hair. Spray this treatment oil all over your scalp. Spray it all over your strands. Make sure your scalp and your strands is well covered with this oil. And as you spray, please do not forget to massage it into your strands and into your scalp. This massage will help your scalp and your strands to absorb the oil and all its nutrients. So you don't want to joke with massaging, especially your scalp. Take your time to massage your scalp. This will boost blood circulation and help the oil to even work faster. This treatment is to be used at least once in a week if you want to see results. So after applying this all over your scalp and all over your hair, and after giving it a very good massage, you want to go ahead and cover this up with a shower cap or a nylon, because you're going to be washing this off with a very mild shampoo. So after applying it, you want to carry it for about 30 minutes, but if you want a very deep treatment, you can carry it overnight before washing it off. And this is the reason why you need to wash this treatment off. Since this treatment is oil based, leaving it in may weigh down your hair, attract dust, and make your strands look oily instead of fresh. Secondly, neem is powerful and can sometimes irritate the scalp if you leave it for too long, especially for those who have sensitive skin. Thirdly, neem oil has a very strong smell that can even linger all day long. Even with fragrance or lavender, the scent can still be noticed. So the best way you can enjoy this while by leaving it in your hair without washing it out is probably by adding some drops of this into your leave-in conditioner or mixing a little amount of it with a carrier oil. So guys, I would love you to try this recipe and tell me how it works for you. Drop a comment below and let's share our results together. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Everyday with Monday, and share this with someone who is on their own natural hair journey. Remember, healthy scalp, healthy hair, and with patience and consistency, your own hair will come true. See you on my next video, guys. Bye.